Is TikTok going away? This is a really important video, and if you're uploading videos to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, then you really need to pay close attention, because there's a lot of talk right now about which platform is going to win. In fact, I got back from Vid Summit and Video Marketing World, where the talk of the town was, believe it or not, Facebook Watch and what's happening with Facebook Watch. And if you're not aware, then you need to subscribe to this channel. You need to be like in the know on what's going on some of these platforms. Now, there's a lot of talk about YouTube Shorts as well. And as you guys all know, probably YouTube Shorts and TikToks are very, very similar. Now, I had a chance to meet a ton of TikTok creators, and every single one of them was talking about a decrease in views. Even on my channel, which has a 250,000 subscribers, we have seen a lot of fluctuation in which videos get views and how long it takes. And so if you're uploading videos to TikTok, you might be wasting the best years of your life on this platform that's going to vanquish someday soon. At least that was a topic of conversation. And so we want to evaluate the truth of this statement, okay? And I want you to take a look at a couple different things, because I believe that if you're uploading to TikTok right now and you're having success, you're actually positioning yourself for long-term fame, long-term wealth by expanding your content onto YouTube. Now, I'm not saying to quit TikTok at all. In fact, we are starting 2 new TikToks. We look at TikTok like real estate, right? And right now, like, when do you buy real estate? When it's super expensive or when the price is down? You buy it when the price is down, right? And that way you get more from your investment. Well, here's the thing. While TikTok is quietly doing its thing and all the press agents are talking about YouTube and Facebook Watch, you should be building an empire on TikTok. And here's why. Our most successful TikTok was 7 seconds. Well, maybe not our most successful, but our biggest in the beginning were like 7 seconds, 15 seconds. How long does it take you to create 15 seconds worth of content? Not long, right? Maybe half an hour if you film it and then edit it on your phone. Even higher production value than that. But when you get all the loops and you get all the views and you get all the watches, you are just as valuable with 17-second content. You're just as valuable to a brand as somebody who is doing 10-minute videos on YouTube. Okay, so that's big. The other part of that is short form content on TikTok is hard. It's hard to get a message out in 17 seconds. But because of the nature of TikTok, it opens the door for expansion. So for example, if you're on YouTube and your channel is like, I help doctors grow their practice, tutorial type of videos, that's 5-minute content, right? Like 10-minute content. How do you take that into 17 seconds, 15 seconds? It's a little bit more of a challenge than taking a 17-second sketch and trying to stretch it into 3 minutes. Now, I want to talk about that in a minute too. But if you can be just as valuable making smaller form content, then why not do that? So be producing on TikTok and make sure that it's worth your time. Now, because of the experimental nature of TikTok, you're gonna be able to do more stuff. So for example, you'll be able to do dances and you'll be able to do some of this like pointing up here and things start popping up on the screen. Look, I hate that content. It's super like easy to do, but it blows up. I just did a video like that on YouTube Shorts. I got 2,000 views. Okay, I don't upload video marketing content on TikTok, but it gives you a sense of what is doing well. Okay. Now, the other part of that is if you're on TikTok, you need to be looking at how to expand your content into 5-minute content, okay? My buddy David Lopez is just excellent at this. David Lopez is formerly a Vine star. Like, he and I were making Vines together, and he was doing comedy, and I was like, dude, comedy is not gonna fit, like, it's not gonna work, like, we need to do business. I did business, he did comedy, and he blew up. He actually, his face was on the Vine, like, app, So he's got a great YouTube channel. What David did really well was he was able to take his tiny little vines, his 7-second vines, 6-second vines, and turn them into 3-minute sketches by unpacking the sketch. I met a couple of TikTok creators at Vid Summit that were also really, really good at this. Now, how they do that, I think, is a bigger conversation. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, because that's the kind of stuff we're gonna talk about. But if you're already uploading this kind of stuff, 15-second quick stuff, you need to be thinking about, how can I unpack this? How do I make this into longer form content that would do really well on YouTube? Now, the last thing I'll say is this, is if you're creating TikTok content, you should absolutely be uploading to Reels and YouTube Shorts. The same content, Do it on the same day, my friend. I don't think it matters. Or a week later. I don't think it matters. But here's what I want you to not do. Don't download your TikTok with the TikTok logo on it and put that on Instagram or YouTube. Upload the raw file to TikTok, to Instagram Reels, and to YouTube Shorts. Same file. Maybe title it a little bit differently, caption a little bit differently, just so it makes sense for the platform. But if you're getting, 20,000 views per video on TikTok, then why get those views on YouTube and Instagram Reels? Don't worry about the AdSense, don't worry about the money, because the eyeballs are where the money goes. And if you're getting 20,000 views on TikTok, 20,000 on Reels, and 20,000 on YouTube, that's 60,000 views, and you are very well positioned to start talking to a brand about paying you to make videos. So TikTok's not going anywhere. TikTok, I think, is one of the stronger platforms. It's where the young talent is coming up. And if you're not on TikTok, I would think of, should you be on TikTok? Not how to do it. Like, is it the right place for you? And it might be not. Let's think about what you do. And if you're already on TikTok, how can you expand that and get onto other platforms? That's what I want to hear from you. So talk to me in the comments below. I'm Owen Video. See you in the next piece.